bahaya bodoh ni. Kita.
Hello guys, so right now me and Alip right now waiting for the bus because we are the gang KL, so we're gonna go to Terengganu meet Faris and also Rifa'i. So see you guys there. Hi guys, we here in Terengganu. Alright, so today this one gonna be our first main place that gonna visit. It's actually we're gonna have lunch here. So at the same time we're gonna meet our friend here, Faris and Rifa'i. Alright, so see you guys soon. Peace.
Hello guys, so today we will meet our friends Azim and Alip at Singgambudu. So let's go meet them.
So now we are at Museum Negeri Terengganu.
So what we're gonna do now, we're just gonna explore inside and see new things.
And you must know that this museum, Museum Terengganu, is the largest museum in Southeast Asia.
Woo!
So let's go.
Let's go. So now we are heading to the Masjid Crystal, and this is the largest masjid in Kuala Terengganu, I guess. So let's see how. So as we all can see, the masjid is really beautiful, but unfortunately we can go inside because the mosque is under construction, as we know lah.
Alright guys, so this one is our last activity. So we're gonna have dinner here, which at Medan Ikan Bakar. So can't wait to try all the stuff. Yeah, go. Let's go. Good morning guys, back to day 2. Right now we're back in the car because we're heading to one of the islands. too. So right now we're waiting for the boat to take us off the island. So can't wait, man. Can't wait, bro.
Saya tengah makan kacang ni, awak ni kacau lah.
Alright guys, we out here already. We actually at Redang Island. So right now, our first activity, we're gonna look out the baby shark.
Baby shark dulu.
Yeah. Alright, our lip.
We'll find that.
Let's go. Hi guys, so yeah, this is the end of the video. So thanks for watching until the end, and please subscribe us and wait for the next vlog. Okay, thank you. Peace out. See you soon.